I saw a video where Vibe with Sonia is telling us some do's and don'ts of YouTube. Please, if you are seeing this video, help me share it so that we get in touch with Sonia, so that Sonia can easily tell me this, because I don't really understand this. What about if, for example, because he said that YouTube does not really support you using watermark. What about if the watermark you are using is your watermark that followed a video that you personally shoot on another platform? For example, like me, most of my video, I shoot my videos, some of them on TikTok, and I upload it direct, and sometimes the watermark used to be inside. Please, if you yourself, you that is watching this video, know that is wrong, please, I just want people to help me on this video. That is why I'm doing this video. Please, if you know, because I don't really know, so that I will correct myself before it's too late, because a lot of my videos are carrying my watermark, the watermark from TikTok. Sometimes I will post it to YouTube, so that I will not be posting my direct video, so that I'll be working on it by flushing off the watermark before I post it. So please, if you are seeing this video, help me share it, so that it will get to Vibe with Sonia, so that Vibe with Sonia will teach us more on this, because I don't really know much on this. That is the reason why I'm asking for this. So thanks for watching. Please do me a favor, join me, and for those of you that really needed my graphics tutorial, if you want it, always call on me. I'm ready to teach you anything you need to know on editing with graphics. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscription buttons for more tutorials. I still remain Pet Yinka, aka do wetin you sabi do. So I don decide to dey teach una step by step, more especially those of una wey be say una dey follow me from TikTok dey come. Anything wey be say I know, say I discover, I know, I don make up my mind say I go dey teach una for here. That is why I create this particular channel, Pet Yinka tips, where I go for dey teach una. So like those of una wey be say una dey ask me of thumbnail, how I take dey do those fine thumbnails, I don teach una, I don teach am. So click on my videos, you go see am. And also those of una wey una dey teach me, ask me how una go take fix am put inside una YouTube, I don still teach am. There are so many things I don teach inside this particular channel. So try and watch the video tutorials of different things, so that you go dey pick, you go learn. More especially even those of una wey be say una dey tell me say una want to start to do some things on Fiverr and Upwork. You need to get these skills for you to start to make money on these things. So now I don make up my mind, say not be just only to dey tell una to get the skills. I don make up my mind, say I go dey teach una for free. So watch videos, learn work for here. This place na where I don put for you to learn work. So if you just dey see this channel now, try and make sure say you do what? Click on my subscription button, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, so that anytime I bring some kind of creative tutorial come, you go quick grab am to learn work. Make sure say you get this channel, because here I go dey teach una some deep graphics work when we say una need to know, that will really help una for una daily work as a freelancer on any platform. God bless you.